So we thought Bowtie was dead. And then this random guy walked up. Yow!
Yeah, he grabbed a balloon and flew away, and we never saw him again. Yow! Hey guys, what's that? It seems to be a microwave. Whoa!
Hello, contestants. Alright, guys. So, the first challenge is to find me coffee. Because I'm really...
Alrighty, now where's that coffee? Oh, there's the coffee. I just need to get it and...
I'll be taking that.
Howdy, partner. I know you're not gonna give me that cup of coffee. So how about we duel? 3.
You didn't see that one coming, did you? I got the coffee.
And the winner of this challenge goes to Pawn. Vote for who you want to be eliminated in the next one.